campsite grabbing some stuff. We're about to go on a hike. I need to eat something and chug water so that I can pee before we go. But it's a bit nippy out. It's a little bit cold. But that's okay. There's a big bike race happening right now. I'll insert some clips of that. But here's our little camp spot. My dad's bike. Oh, bird poop. Cute. So anyways, I think we're gonna go to a waterfall, I think. And then, honestly, we'll probably just be outside all day, go to the water, hang out. I packed a swimsuit, I packed my cameras, I've got some fruit, some pretzels. I'm just in my outdoorsy girl era. Hello. I'm currently just chilling in the car. I'm tired. We went on a really amazing hike earlier. And now I'm just eating pretzels. I don't know what to do. Part of me wanted to get ready and like go explore a bit. But we're camping now, which means I'd have to go like get ready. I'd have to go wash my face and stuff in the bathroom over there. I don't feel like it. I feel so tired. Maybe I need to take a nap. I just took like an hour nap. Let's go get ready for dinner. I've got my coins. Each coin is 4 minutes. And I have 4 coins. So. Luxury. Got dressed. Now we're gonna go get some Mexican food. I feel like I'm luxury camping, having a shower.
Person doing it over here.
Yeah, it was cool.
And I didn't stay up late. That was me on that. I didn't stay up late enough to see. Well, since I won't see you probably on your birthday.
I am now at this little beach restaurant thing by myself. And I'm gonna go see if maybe I get a little bev, walk on the beach. I brought my journal and a book. Where's my outfit? Let's go try to socialize.
Hi there.
Hi! I'm about to eat up this main character moment, sitting on this dock by myself right now. I've got my whole tent set up. This has a stain, so ignore that. But I'll have this closed for the bugs. And then I'll open it. I got my bed. I got my pajamas. It's so cozy.
Oh, I thought you had a light. thought you had a light for a second.
Oh.
Like a filming light.
Oh, no. I'm not that crazy. No, I'll turn this on later. It's so cute. I could live in here forever, I think. Here's our little camp setup. My dad has bike and then his tent. Why am I crooked like that? His tent's over there. I was gonna back this in, but I guess I'm not allowed to be on here. We're gonna get a fire going. Got all his cool gadgets and things. Look at his bike. Isn't that cool? Basically, my dad biked from Southern California up to here, Tahoe, and then he's gonna bike back. I have to go back to NorCal to work further north, I think. Where's Tahoe? By Nevada. So yeah, to go east and then north. Look at that. And I say I'm directionally challenged. Yeah. Wait, never eat soggy waffles. If Chico's here, Tahoe's here, I have to go west and then north. I am directionally challenged. There we go, folks. There you have it. I'm gonna put on PJs and then see you in a minute.
You're just on the move. I'm not. You kept to look at product and iTunes stores open in there. Oh, come on. You know, it's weird. From where I'm sitting, it looks like they have Christmas lights up. There's red and blue.
So I'm a bit paranoid when it comes to bears and wildlife, and I'm walking by myself over to the bathrooms and it's dark. So, I mean, it's not, there's literally still some light, but still scary. I'm back to my car. It's officially dark out and I'm spooked. So I'm gonna get cozy and read and hang out. Morning. I've just been laying in here because it's cold and I'm cozy in here. But word of the week is cozy, for sure. I'm gonna go get ready for the day. It's only gonna be like 60 degrees today and kind of cloudy, so I'm gonna channel my inner Twilight moody girl main character moment today. And I'm happy about that. But I do need to go brush my teeth, wash my face, all the things. And then I don't really know what we have in store today. I think we're gonna go north a little bit to North Lake Tahoe and just like go off trail, check out some cute water spots. We'll see what we do. So car camping, I want to be organized. So basically all my clean clothes are in this big bag. So here's, so you can see that. So like the stuff I just want to grab is all going to be up here. My camera and electronics, all my clothes, and then under my stuff here I have my towel hanging up, and then that's all my bathroom stuff, and then these are just some beach towels down there, and then I put this down there. Jacket's there, and then some more like side table kind of thing. It's kind of messy right now, but my little lamp with this, I hang this up here. Currently just walked over to a place to take photos. It's really pretty. I always just try to find, like, I feel like I've seen so many photos like this already. I'm like, how can I make it my own and more unique? So that's where I'm having, you know, writer's block? It feels like photographer's block. I don't know. But it's really pretty regardless. Okay. And I'm gonna eat the salad. Look at these cute little pins I got. Everything tastes better outside. Take photos, leave footprints. Adorable.
Take pictures or something.
We are now at Grover Springs Campground, and it's really pretty. You're gonna put your tent here?
Right here.
That's far away.
I know, but it's the only flat spot.
Oh, okay.
Well, no, there's... What was it?
A bee. Or a wasp.
Good.
That was dramatic. It's definitely the craziest I've looked the whole time, I think. I have like makeup under my eyes. I just showered, so my hair is like half dry, half wet. But I did download the rest of my show that I've been watching. If you've been watching Maxton Hall, you get me.
Is that right?
Yep, go off, girl. She kind of bothers me, but it's okay. I've got pretzels, I've got some cookies, I've got some milk over there that I forgot about until just now. I need to grab. And I need to eat it all, and then I have this like smell-proof bag or whatever, because they were like, the bears are feisty and they will open your locked card. And I was like, whoa, that's terrifying. So that won't be happening. If I hear anything scratching, I'm honking my horn. I'm making noise, waking the whole campsite up. Anyways, I'm gonna watch my show today. So yeah, today we've been at this Grover Hot Springs campsite. And then tomorrow morning, I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe go hike, and then we go to Reno to a hotel. And then the next day I leave. Thursday morning I leave. And right now it's Tuesday night. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, so it's now the morning time. We just finished camping at... Why am I blanking on the name? Grover Hot Springs Campsite or something like that. And last night, I was up until like midnight watching my show that I downloaded on my computer, just like cozy in my car, and it was so nice. And then I ended up having to go pee, which I was terrified because, you know, bears, mountain lions, the things. Mostly mountain lions. Bears, I think I'd be okay, but you never know. So I turned on the car to like make noise and then lit up the road to the bathroom, and I ran. Anyways, it was fine. But yeah, now we're getting ready to go. I think we're gonna hike and stuff a bit because we're gonna leave to Reno later, and then that's the end of the trip. I leave back to Chico from Reno tomorrow. So, but this place is really pretty. I honestly wish we were here for like another night, but it's okay. I'm just sitting on this rock, a big rock, in our little campsite area. Hee. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about going home. I'm like not really ready yet. I wish I could come back here one more night, but it's fine.